Part 1. Transportation. Exercise. You will hear a telephone conversation between a passenger and clerk of transport information at London Heathrow Airport. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 5. As you listen to the first part of the conversation, answer questions 1 to 5.
Hello, this is transport information at London Heathrow Airport. What can I do for you?
Good morning. I'm flying to London Heathrow Airport next week, and I need to transfer from the airport to Chester. So could you give me some suggestions about transport?
Chester? Let me check. Oh, it's about 305 miles from here. You have a lot of options to get there. Of course, the quickest and most comfortable is a taxi.
Oh, I see. But I'm afraid it will be very expensive, right?
Yeah. How about renting a car right here at the airport?
I don't really want to drive myself after a long flight, and I will not take my driving license.
Well, how about taking a coach?
Can you tell me how much that would cost?
Sure. Let's see. That would be £25 single and £42 return.
That's quite cheap. How long could I get to Chester by coach?
It is about 4 hours.
Really? It's too slow. Why does it need such a long time?
Because it has many stops during the route.
You mean I have to travel to many different places before getting to Chester?
Yes,
How about the airport shuttle?
it will take you from the airport right to your hotel or house in Chester. It's door-to-door service.
So how much does that cost?
Let me check. That's £39 single and £69 return. I guess it's a bit more expensive than the coach, but it would be very fast.
That's great.
And you need to reserve a seat 3 days in advance.
That's no problem. Before hearing the next part of the conversation, look at questions 6 to 10. Now listen carefully and answer questions 6 to 10.
Okay, I have to fill this form out for you. So what date do you want to reserve the seat for?
I will arrive at 18:55 on 9th November.
So, that's the Heathrow Airport to Chester. And this is for just one person?
Yes, just me, please.
Right. And your time of arrival is 18:55? So 2010 will be better for your shuttle time. That will give you plenty of time to collect your luggage.
Yeah, that sounds fine.
Well, what sort of ticket do you want? Single or return?
One-way ticket.
Okay. Tell me your name and your nationality.
Philip Green, and I am from Sydney.
Are you Australian?
Right.
Then, what flight will you be travelling on?
I will arrive from Sydney Airport and then stop over at Singapore Airport, and then go to London Heathrow Airport.
Your flight number?
SQ318.
And your address in Chester. I will give it to the driver.
Yes, Natural Holiday House. It's not very far to the city centre. 16 Devon Road. That's DEVON.
Okay. The last thing. How will you pay your ticket? I mean the £39.
Do you accept Visa card?
Yes. Please tell me your Visa card number.
3523 8540.